In this session, we will discuss about debugging techniques. First, let me write what is the meaning of debugging and what is the meaning of debugging technique. In real world, the meaning of bug is an insect like this, which I have drawn in pink color. But in programming world, debugging means D means removing, bug means problem or error from your project. Now, let me write what is the meaning of debugging technique. Debugging technique means it is a process of analyzing and understanding the code flow in order to remove the errors in your project or to add extra features in your project. That means in order to remove existing errors in your project, or if you want to add extra features in your project, in that case we will be using debugging techniques. Remember, this debugging techniques concept is very important. It is as important as breathing air. Just like in the real world, in order to survive, we will breathe air. What will happen if you don't breathe air? Obviously, you will die. Similarly, in order to survive as a good programmer, you should know debugging techniques. I am marking it as important concept. Let me explain this concept by taking a pictorial representation. Most of the times, whenever you are joining any software company as a software engineer or software developer, there is a high chance that you will be given an existing project which is developed by some other programmer. Once you are assigned to any existing project, there is a high chance that either you will be asked to fix the errors of that existing project, or you may be asked to add extra features for that existing project. Don't expect that whenever you join any software company, you will be writing a new project right from the scratch. Most of the times you will be given existing projects. In that case, you may be asked to fix the errors in that project, or you may be asked to add extra features for that existing project. Again, coming to the errors part, there are two different types of errors. First type of errors is a crash error. First type of errors is a crash error. Crash error means whenever you run the application, at some point of time, your application may stop abruptly with a error pop-up which says, unfortunately your application has stopped. These type of crash errors will look like this. You might have seen such kind of pop-ups many times while using existing applications, which looks like this. Unfortunately, your application has stopped with OK button. These type of errors are called as crash errors. These are the most common form of errors. Second category of errors is program may not be crashing, but expected output may not be coming. For example, let us say you are designing one calculator application. When user clicks plus button, rather than adding two numbers, it may be multiplying two numbers. In that case, program is not really crashing, but functionality is not working correctly. So that is second type of error. Now let us see how to fix these errors and how to add extra features by using debugging techniques. I repeat, the meaning of debugging technique is the process of analyzing and understanding the code flow in order to fix errors or to add extra features for existing projects. To fix the first type of errors, that is crash errors, we will follow a debugging technique called as Logcat and Android Monitor tool. Let me write here. Your Android Studio comes with many predefined tools. One important tool is Logcat tool and Android Monitor tool. Using these two tools, you can fix crash errors. That is the first debugging technique to fix crash errors. Whereas, in order to fix the second type of error, or if you want to add extra feature to current project, in that case, we have to follow second debugging technique, that is breakpoint technique. Because let us say if your program is not crashing and functionality is not working as expected, or if you want to add extra feature to your current project, first you have to analyze existing code properly. In order to analyze existing code properly, we should use breakpoint technique. In the next session, first I will show you how to use Logcat and Android Monitor in order to fix crash errors. Later we will see breakpoint technique.